Hi, math friends! Welcome back to Math with Teacher Jean. Today, we're going to dive into a super cool topic that's all about number bonds. So, by the end of this video, you'll know how to decompose and compose numbers like a math pro. So, are you ready? Let's jump right in. So, what exactly are number bonds? So, think of them as a way to show how numbers work together. A number bond has three parts: the whole number and its two parts. So when you add the parts together, they make the whole number. For example, here's the number 10. The parts are 6 and 4. When we put them together, 6 plus 4, they make 10. Isn't that fun? Let's make some number bonds together. Here's the number 8. Can you think of two smaller numbers that add up to 8? Pause the video if you need time to think. So we have 1 and 7, 2 and 6, and 3 and 5. Great job! These are all ways to make 8. Remember, the whole number stays the same, but the parts can change. Now let's flip it. If we have the whole number 12 and one part is 8, can you figure out the other part? That's right, it's 4. We call this decomposing the number. It's like breaking it into smaller pieces. All right, math stars, it's your turn. Let's practice. Here's a number bond. The whole is 9 and one part is 7. So what's the other part? That's right, the other part is 2. Can you give more examples and decompose the number 9? Time starts now. Here are the answers. Did you get them all? I hope you did. Did you know you use number bonds every day? For example, if you have 10 cookies and you share 2 with a friend, now how many are left? That's right, 8. Number bonds make it easy to figure things out. That's it for today's lessons, math friends. Now you know how to compose and decompose numbers with number bonds. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Math with Teacher Jean, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next math adventure. Thanks for watching and see you next time.